We'll guide you through how to use CapCut for screen recording. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once it's launched, look for the New Project button and click on it to start a new project. You'll see a variety of options on the interface, but what you want is the screen recording feature. Look for the Record option, typically found in the media at the top left of the screen. Click on it, and a new window will pop up allowing you to select your recording preferences. You can choose to record the entire screen, a specific window, or a custom area. Make sure your microphone and system audio settings are configured correctly if you want to capture sound. Select the desired area, and when you're ready, press the Start Recording button. You'll see a countdown before the recording begins, giving you a moment to prepare. While recording, you can pause or stop the recording using the controls that appear on the screen. Once you've finished recording, the video will automatically be imported into your CapCut workspace where you can edit it further. You can trim, add effects, or include text as needed. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button to save your video. Choose your desired format and resolution, then hit the Export button again to finalize the save. And there you have it, a complete screen recording using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.